If you previously worked in another program or in Microsoft Excel, and now, when switching to the USU program, you want to transfer the accumulated information about products or customers and not manually enter each line, then the data import command will be available to you. Please note that any import requires first setup by our programmer because the structure of databases is always different. After pre-configuring the import, you can easily upload thousands of records to the program in just a few minutes. Importing data is preferable to manual entry, not only because of its high speed, but also because of its accuracy. The human factor is excluded here. When a negligent employee enters something correctly, something is wrong, and something generally forgets to enter. Our intelligent program will do everything accurately and even show your mistakes that you could have made earlier when you worked in another program. For example, if two clients have the same email or phone number, then the USU program may not miss such a duplicate.